All right, so I'm going to explain to you what a sidechain is. So right now, the way it works is you have your blockchain here. So in the case of Bitcoin, every 10 minutes, a new block is made. And these blocks are made up of transactions. These transactions are all the Bitcoin moving from wallet A to wallet B, wallet A to wallet B, wallet A to wallet B. And every 10 minutes, these transactions get batched together, get confirmed, and put into a block. Each block has a unique hash. And that hash identifies the block and all the transactions inside of it. So every 10 minutes, you're getting a new block made. And now, due to network speed, there's only so many transactions that can get confirmed within that 10-minute time frame. So the idea that came up a while ago is called sharding. Sharding is the idea that you can take multiple transactions that are performed off and away from this online chain and be able to batch them together so you can get more transactions in that 10-minute block. Let's break it down. So right now we have a data chain, say right here. And this is a more conventional network. And let's say you have all these transactions at every 5 minutes. Get more transactions in them. Let's say that each one holds 1,000 transactions. Well, then what happens is every 10 minutes, all the transactions within this block get a unique hash, the identifier. And then this block with this hash that identifies this block gets confirmed on the Bitcoin network every 10 minutes. So then what will happen is each block gets added. And when a new block gets added, let's move that over here. This gets its own unique hash. So then this block here has its own hash plus the hash where it was recorded on the Bitcoin network. And all the transactions in here will have a record of the transaction hash off the chain and the hash on the chain. And that is how you're able to, one, use the Bitcoin network to verify transactions. Because it's an immutable blockchain, you have this immutable record that if someone were to look up the hash of this transaction, they'll see the hash of this block recorded inside the respective page of the ledger. And then anyone looking up these transactions will see the hash that this was a part of and the hash from the Bitcoin blockchain. And that, in a nutshell, is how sharding works.